Nobody respects you, not because they're bad people, but because you've trained them not to. You say yes when you want to say no. You tolerate disrespect. You let people walk all over your time, your energy, your standards. You teach them that you're a doormat. And guess what? They believe you. Respect isn't given, it's enforced. And right now, you're not enforcing a damn thing. Here's the brutal truth. People treat you how you treat yourself. You ignore your boundaries, so will they. You make excuses, they'll stop listening. You avoid conflict, they'll keep testing you. You want people to take you seriously? Start showing them you take yourself seriously, because nobody's going to believe in a version of you that you don't even defend. You're afraid to offend, to upset, to be too much. That's exactly why you're invisible. Respect doesn't come from being liked. It comes from being clear. Clear on your time, clear on your values, clear on what you don't tolerate. Here's the hard pill. If people keep crossing your line, it's not because they're blind. It's because your line is written in sand. So here's what changes today. You stop explaining yourself to people who don't deserve answers. You stop negotiating your worth, and you stop thinking that being nice is the same as being good. From now on, you speak with weight. You act like your time is currency, and you leave when respect isn't served. Want respect? Earn it from yourself first, or no one else ever will. Because the world doesn't give you what you hope for. It gives you what you demand. Now go fix it.